Hello freshers, my name is Dinesh Ishwarwaka. I am currently pursuing my senior year of undergraduation in electronics engineering and I am the current General Secretary of the Science and Technology Council, IIT-BH.
हेलो बच्चों, एक तो तुम लोग के लिए इतनी ठंड में वीडियो बनानी पड़ रही है, ठीक है। और कमिंग टू द इंट्रोडक्शन, माय नेम इज़ सत्यम and I'm a 5th year undergraduate student in the Department of Ceramic Engineering and currently I'm the Joint General Secretary of Science and Technology Council.
Hello freshers, my name is Ishita Asthana. I am currently pursuing my final year in BTech in Electronics Engineering Department. I'm also the Joint General Secretary of the Science and Technology Council, IIT-BHU.
Science and Technology Council, IIT-BHU, encompasses all the technical teams, clubs and centers that cater to the technical interests of the students. In short, it is the geek hub of the institute. From robotics to programming, from aeromodeling to astronomy, from business management to consulting, the council provides a learning platform for all topics that intrigue science enthusiasts. The council aims to impart technical knowledge to all the students of the institute and allows them to showcase their creativity and innovation at institute level, national and global events.
ओके, सो बेसिकली साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी काउंसिल क्या करता है, ये तुम्हें दो चीज़ें प्रोवाइड करता है बेसिकली। एक होती है कम्युनिटी और एक होता है तुम्हारा प्लेटफॉर्म। सो कम्युनिटी इन द सेंस कि मान लो कईयों को तुम में से एस्ट्रोनॉमी में इंटरेस्ट होगा, कुछ को रोबोटिक्स में, कुछ को फाइनेंस में, एंड एक्सेट्रा। तो यहाँ पे तुम्हें उसके रिस्पेक्टिव में बहुत सारे क्लब्स मिलेंगे, ठीक है, जो तुम्हें स्क्रैच से और टू द हायर लेवल तुम्हें सब कुछ सिखाएंगे, ठीक है। और प्लस तुम्हें अपने इंटरेस्ट के अकॉर्डिंग ही वहाँ पे भी लोग मिलेंगे, सो यू कैन रिलेट टू देम, ओके। एंड द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज़ प्लेटफॉर्म। देखो, प्लेटफॉर्म का सेंस ये हुआ कि जस्ट इन केस कि तुम्हारे पास कोई आइडिया है, ठीक है ना, जो कि आउटस्टैंडिंग है, जो स्टैंड अपार्ट करेगा हर चीज़ से, ठीक है। तो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज़ कि तुम SNTC की मदद से यू कैन वर्क अपॉन दैट आइडिया। हम तुम्हें रिसोर्सेज प्रोवाइड करेंगे, हम तुम्हें इक्विपमेंट्स एक्सेट्रा सब प्रोवाइड करेंगे एंड देन यू कैन ईजिली वर्क ऑन दैट आइडिया। एंड ऑन अ वेरी पर्सनल नोट, देखो, टू ऑल द फर्स्ट ईयर राइट्स, मैं तो ये कहूँगा कि नॉट ओनली साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी काउंसिल बट सब कुछ एक्सप्लोर करो यार। बाकी सारे काउंसिल्स भी, सारे क्लब्स के ओरिएंटेशन में जाओ और उनसे सीखो कि वो क्या करते हैं, कैसे करते हैं, ठीक है ना, एक्सेट्रा। फिर उसमें अपना पैशन ढूंढो कि तुम्हें किस चीज़ में इंटरेस्ट है। फिर नेक्स्ट व्हाट यू कैन डू इज़, फिर तुम अपने कुछ क्लब्स सेलेक्ट कर लो एंड देन यू स्टार्ट वर्किंग इन इट। बट देखो, रूम पे नहीं बैठना, मतलब अब अभी तो रूम पे बैठोगे, सॉरी, मतलब यो है ना कि तुम ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम पढ़े जा रहे हो एंड यू आर नॉट एक्सप्लोरिंग एनीथिंग, बिकॉज लास्टली ये बहुत काम आएगा। सो ट्राई टू गेट इन्वॉल्व इन मोर एंड मोर एक्टिविटीज़, दैट्स द बेस्ट थिंग यू कैन डू। बाय।
As many of you must have felt the urge to create something new, build something different. So SNTC as a council provides you the platform where you can get all the resources you need to work towards realizing your innovative ideas. Further, there are clubs under the council where you can interact with the people who share your interests. Also, the clubs collaborate with each other to launch different projects which can solve real-life problems. The council also organizes the annual Techno Management Fest named Technics, where there is competition from throughout the country. Students participate and learn and demonstrate different skills in different fields.
Hello everyone, this is the captain for today's flight. So are you all excited to witness the vast sky of technology? Let's begin with the building community aero modeling.
Falling too fast to prepare for this. Tripping in the world could be dangerous. Everybody circling as vultures. Negative, nepotist. Everybody waiting for the fall of man. Everybody praying for the end of times. Everybody hoping they could be the one. I was born to run, I was born for this. Whip, run me like a racehorse. Pull me like a ripcord. Break me down and build me up. I wanna be the slip. Word upon your lip. Rather that you rip. Break me down and build me up. Whatever it takes. Whatever clinging on to the visual. I wanna be invisible, looking at my
Our flight has taken off in the blue sky, so now it's time to dive into the endless black space. So here comes the Astronomy Club.
Hello freshers, welcome to IIT BHU. First thing first, my heartiest congratulations to everyone for passing one of the most difficult exam. By the way, I am Preeti Sarva, the Secretary of the Astronomy Club IIT BHU, and I am here to expose you to our illustrious esteemed legacy of the club. I guess all of us at some point of time have had a thought on how the world works, and every now and then we find ourselves wondering about the nature and rules of the universe, how it was formed, what are the laws, and how they work. After all, civilization has a long history of marveling at space. So let me tell you something. Astronomy Club is exactly about all of these. Here we not only talk about space and the universe and how fancy they seem to be, but we also try to look at the reason behind it, using satellites, data manipulation, and whatnot. We host a variety of theoretical and observational sessions with external guests, our beloved alumni, and sometimes the core members as well. So we are not only talk about these, but we also gaze at them in amazing detail with the help of telescopes. Not to flex, but we have 5 of them. So the best part of the optical astronomy is that we can observe them through our eyes, and trust me, when you hold the telescope and point it towards your favorite star constellation, the experience is incomparable. And it's not that you need to have a telescope for observations, stellarium works too. By the way, besides all these, we conduct some of the very special events like Telescon, which is a source of great fun. You learn and build your own telescope from scratch. Supernova, which is a part of Technics, the technical fest of our institute, where we have quizzes in astrophotography and telescope handling and many more. And the last one is Yuri's Night. So Yuri's Night is basically the flagship event of our club. So besides all this, club has its own journal, the Redshift magazine. You guys have found it on the groups or the mail as well. Earlier it was named as the Corona magazine, but due to the COVID-19 we had to change its name. So now it's the Redshift. So it covers the articles of many fascinating topics and news about astronomy from all over the world, and it also has a section of fun zone too. It's fun to read and intriguing too at the same time. You can still find it on our website if you haven't yet. Now last but not the least, the club has its own legacy in inter-IIT events as well as the national and international competitions. The club is for everyone and there is no prerequisites. Let's begin the exciting journey of learning and fun all through the cosmos and beyond. And you can find the contact details of club secretaries here. For any queries, feel free to reach out. Thank you.
ML, AI, AR, IoT, blockchain, and new technologies. Do sharp your brain. Here comes CSI to turn your innovative thoughts into lovely projects.
It's like, what is your rate of innovation? That matters. And is the rate of innovation, is that accelerating or decelerating?
In this ever-evolving world, in the quest for sustainable future, all we need are innovative ideas that transform into disruptive models. Here at CSI, we nourish the spark within us to solve real-life challenging issues. Having done 30+ projects in the domain of defense, agri-tech, medical, smart living, space research, and generalized innovation, we offer a place to discover and design world-changing solutions. We have demonstrated a few out of many such projects that we have done in the past few years, from solving the garbage problem to designing electric assist pedal vehicle. We have it all covered. We keep conducting events on a frequent basis to cherish your weekend and keep the spark to innovate alive. Initiating an idea and structuring it is a challenging step in the building of an innovative project journey. CSI provides a space for exploring new technologies through InnoSites, where the innovative ideas are planted as saplings in your brain, which then turn into fruitful projects later. And here are some of our achievements. This is a fun activity in which we asked the seniors to describe their journey, and this is what they had to say about it. And hey, this is Yashasri, Joint Secretary of the club. With me, we have Divyam Gupta as the Secretary and Ankur Shukla as the Joint Secretary. And here is a task for you. Name the technology shown in the video which is better and cost-effective alternative for energy storage. But remember to snap a screenshot of this QR code so that you can send us your responses.
Ferrari, Mustang, Lamborghini, and Bentley. These are all the cars you dream about, right? But have you ever thought of building one of your own? If not, then the Society of Automotive Engineers at IIT BHU is here to help you out.
The robots can't take your job if your job is to work on robots, right? Yeah, the robots are coming. So without any further ado, here comes the Robotics Club.
Hey, I know you wouldn't want to have any communication gap between you and your online BFF. Computers, right? Talk to them in their own language, make, break, and manipulate the code with COPS IIT BHU.
लाला ओल्ड स्कूल हो या न्यू स्कूल, सबके सिलेबस में एक सब्जेक्ट कॉमन होता है, प्रॉफिट, और वो मेरा फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट है. यस गाइस, यू हर्ड इट राइट. हियर कम्स द क्लब ऑफ प्रॉफिट, द बिजनेस क्लब.
I was very committed to saying, oh, I want to go to the business school. Maybe, who knows, maybe even go to Wall Street. That was sort of the highest calling of mankind, right?
For decades, I've been buying small businesses after they become big. So I pay hundreds of millions of dollars. It occurred to me, I've got to get these people earlier,
Value because you think they'll have more value down the line. If that's the only reason, then that's what we call a bubble.
Most businesses have either no impact on our financials for the first 5 to 7 years or a negative impact on our financials for the
where the market stands today looks good now.
The product is only one aspect of it, right? You want to be able to build it, you want to scale it, take it to market.
Greetings from TechNext. I'm Preksha. The Science and Technology Council houses a plethora of clubs to serve the scientific and technological interests of the students. So why should we miss out on the fun? SNTC brings to you the fun-filled Techno Management Annual Festival of IIT BHU Varanasi, TechNext has one of the best gatherings and perfect platforms to showcase one's technical and managerial acumen and transform one's raw ideas to success stories. Stay tuned to watch the trailer of TechNext.
I could count them if I want to. All these years I wasted on you. You gave up. I grew up. Oh, I can't help but wonder, where would I be? What would I do if you were there when I needed you? Where would I be? What would I do if you were there when I needed you? Where would needed you?
Are you guys ready for living on your life? I feel love when I look into your eyes, and I believe if you walk from my side, and we lose grip on you.
Where would I be? What would I do if you were there when I needed you? Where would I?